Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a bank statement or like your transaction details account statement in the RBC Bank or the Royal Bank. You are trying to get all those information and let's say you're not able to do it. So how can you do it? Make sure to watch this video till the end, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So this is their official website like the RBC Royal Bank, and they have added the help section of how you can access your account statement or your like balance certificate, how you can download them or how you can access those. So here is the complete process. Like tap more, make sure to log in with your account in the mobile banking app. Like once you log in, you will be seeing this kind of option like more. So just click on the option called more. And once you click on more under services, you'll be seeing an option called services. Just click on services and from services, tap statements. And once you click on statements, select an account to view your statement. And this is like the some kind of the screenshot of what you will be seeing on the screen, and you can just follow the step-by-step process. Just click on the more statements and like checking, just click on OK and select your dates, like whatever months you are trying, whatever day you are trying, just click it, click on OK. And as you can see, like this is the bank statement that you will be seeing. You can just cross it or you can just download it from here in the form of PDF. That is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.